Oh, look. Look at that. That water running out of these woods. That's everywhere. I'm gonna have to dig this year this week. Yeah, we're gonna get us some pigs this year. It looks good over there, but it ain't. Sweet Jesus. Shit in the road. You get out these woods right now, they full of water. It don't take but one time. They have pigs shooting the woods up. Water running out of the woods everywhere. Oh Lord, mercy on the mercy. Up in the corner. In the corner. Well, you can't hear nothing, can you? 'Cause I got my damn mic turned off. I got her on now, little buddy. Come on. Pick her up. Let's go. Do-da, that. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, in the dismal swamp. Mm-hmm. Water everywhere. Cut across this ridge right a little flat right here. There's sand pack under here. Sometimes when it rains a lot, you see when there's more sand patches in here, the sand balled up. And we sitting right on top of a big old aquifer. More water running out the wood. How'd y'all like that? You ever seen camera trick like that? I bet you hadn't. Cecil B. DeMille ain't got nothing on me, huh? I can make a damn camera bob, let me tell you. Bobbing camera. See if that'll hold up there. You know, a lot of y'all won't. I mean, some people watch this and they're gonna go, what in the hell is that over there shaking and shimmering right here? That's a spider stick. That's to catch the spider webs in these woods. If you don't, you'll be bit and stinging and burning and everything. Some of these spiders hurt. Listen at them. Listen, y'all. Listen. Listen at them. Huh. Them woods is alive, yeah. Beautiful find. I don't understand what's happening with my bobbing camera here, but I've about had enough of that. Something ain't in the right position. Let's see how that's going to go. There we go. Yeah, we're heading to the last friendly house. Everything's starting to leaf out. Wild Spanish mulberry's starting to leaf out. Huckleberries done bloom. Them blooms are set no matter what frost does. I don't think nobody's gonna have to get a hell of a lot colder than 40 degrees. I do believe. I think we'll have some huckleberries this year. No, these are regulation. They're huge. Oh no, you can sit up underneath this so much and you still got a foot and a half to tuck underneath your bedding to keep the critters out. Oh no. Oh no, that's so much of a 4 foot wide at the bottom. Still have to get to tuck on. Yeah. Y'all, we got water. Look at him. We got a crate full of water here, y'all. I mean, plumb full, too. Whoa, easy, 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 easy. God, the dog got hurt. Easy. Shit coming out of here everywhere. That's supposed to be strapped in. Why ain't that strapped in? That's what I want to know. Son of a biscuit eater. We here? Alright, we on our way, y'all. Across the creek, what'd I drop? I dropped something, I don't know what it was. Let's see. No, I didn't drop nothing, but that right there don't need to be in the middle of the freaking trail, I can tell you that. Yeah, we're heading up toward the field now, big field. I need to readjust my camera. Alright, we're coming out of this bottom. I just want to show y'all. Let's see what we got here. Look. Look here. Y'all see that gully right there? Now that gully's full of red sand and water right now. This here goes all the way to Chico Bay, which flows into the head of Chico Lake. It's a huge watershed. There's gullies like this all over these woods for miles. That's all it is. Ridge after ridge after ridge. Big old ridge with a flag on the top. Yes, sir. My country. Look at that. Getting green, baby. Wait till the vines start putting out. This will be a jungle in here, and that's just the way I like it. Hot, sticky, bugs everywhere. Yeah. Keep the pilgrims out. In the spring though, Chico Park in the spring is one of the prettiest places on earth. You get out in that lake with them tuple gums and cypress start leafing out, and it'll take your breath away. It's so pretty. That's one of the prettiest lakes in the south. Chico Lake. It's just, it used to be one hell of a park. They used to make their own furniture. They had a sawmill. They had a little zoo. Old boathouse. Put your little restaurant up the top of that sucker. We'll make a restaurant out of it. State would have got rich. No, they tore it down. Now, I'll tell you how bright the state of Louisiana is. They sold the CC camp cabin to, I forgot which one of these old parks out here, and they tore down the damn boathouse, which was a majestic building for Chico. It was a 2-story building, and it was built by the CC camp. Oh my God, I got to get in here and get these damn pigs. Got to. Damn it. Oh, there's pigs everywhere. Pigs on the left and pigs on the right.